Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful hot glue beads. And we're using my SUREBONDER glue gun and filling them with color using my Marabou alcohol inks. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some hot glue beads. Once you fill the skewer with hot glue, you can dip it in the ice water right away to get a crinkly bead look. Or you can wait a couple of minutes and get a much smoother bead. It's up to you. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.